Modern railway infrastructure demands robust power solutions for all railway systems, signaling, internet, data transfer, control, communications units, and high-power auxiliary or mains supply. These communication and power networks must be reliable in the railway environment's extreme conditions. That's why power supplies like DC-DC converters used on rolling stock must meet demanding technical standards. 110 volts is the most common DC voltage on trains, while light railways and trams often use 24 through 48 volts. For sensor, monitoring, and control systems, compact DC-DC converters like RECOM's RP08AW, RP20FR, and RP40FR series are a popular choice, covering the full railway input voltage range with just 3 models. Half and quarter brick format DC-DC converters, like the RP-XXX-RW and RUW series, are popular for higher power railway applications, including versions that cover all input voltages with just 1 model. For plug-and-play applications, RECOM also offers the RMD series, which are fully railway-approved power solutions. On top of this, RECOM offers the PCS line railway battery chargers from 3 kilowatts up to 18 kilowatts and above. To learn more about railway applications and RECOM's full range of products, visit www.recom-power.com/railway.